This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Have you been looking for something low maintenance and cozy? Maybe even a vacation home? Well, come check out this condo. An open kitchen/living area with cedar beams, gas fireplace, jetted tub, 3 decks, 3 closets in the master bedroom, and lots of storage. Right by Lake Hamilton off Airport Road, you're sure to be close to any events in Hot Springs, and with the POA keeping the grounds, you'll have plenty of time to attend. Cannot be short-term rented out, only 1-year leases. Agent C remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.